wisdom of the old. From the mountains to the valleys, let the story be told. Oromo, rise with justice in your soul. Equal for the young, equal for the old. Long before the flags, long before the crown, there was a tree of peace where the elders gathered round. Luba rise in time, power moves with grace. Not by blood or bullet, but the people's sacred place. No king on the throne, no tyrant alone, just voices of the people carved in sacred stone. 5 grades of wisdom from youth to the sage, a cycle of leadership written on the page. Gadaa rise up, let the world overstand. Power to the people, guided by the plan. Equality in time, justice in your hand. Oromo democracy across the land. Gadaa rise up, let the world overstand. Power to the people, guided by the plan. Equality in time, justice in your hand. Oromo democracy across the land. From Tuulama to Borana, from Shaggar to Dare, from Bale to Moyale, Macha to Etu. The law of the Gadaa still guiding the way. Women hold the drum beat, elders keep the flame. Children learn respect and all know their name. No one stays forever, no man holds it tight. 8 years of service, then pass on the light. Accountable leaders not above the law. Ayana guides us in peace and awe. Gadaa rise up, let the world overstand. Power to the people, guided by the plan. Equality on time, justice in your hand. Oromo democracy across the land. Gadaa rise up, let the world overstand. Power to the people, guided by the plan. Equality on time, justice in your hand. Oromo democracy across the land. Ayan too knows the time, the Kalu speaks divine. Under the order tree we find the rhythm of a just mind. Now Babylon fears what it cannot erase. A system of the people standing strong in grace. Colonial minds try to bury the seed, but Gadaa lives on in every righteous deed. So rise up, Africa, learn from your kin. A model of peace where all can begin. It's not just tradition, it's justice alive. Let the Gadaa fire help humanity thrive. Gadaa rise up, let the world overstand. Power to the people, guided by the plan. Equality and time, justice in your hand. Oromo democracy across the land. Gadaa rise up, let the world overstand. Power to the people, guided by the plan. Equality and time, justice in your hand. Oromo democracy across the land. Walk or bless the land, walk or bless Oromia. Oromo rise, Gadaa never die. From the older sky, let the eagle fly. Oh, yeah.